PLA on point. In this video, I show how to export PLA2 data to the hard drive, as preparation for archiving it in PLA 3.0. PLA 2.1 reached its end of life a few years ago, making it increasingly important for customers to migrate their PLA2 assay data to the state-of-the-art PLA 3 environment. The PLA 3.0 Migration and Archiving Toolkit provides all necessary tools for a compliant safe transition. It allows for exporting PLA2 data to the hard drive, archiving that data in PLA 3, migrating PLA2 assays into PLA 3 documents, and comparing PLA2 results with PLA 3. In the following, I explain the exporting procedure. I start with running PLA2 via the PLA-MAT application, distributed by the toolkit. Then I log into the database that contains my PLA2 projects. In the next dialog, I select a synchronization folder on the hard drive, to which my PLA2 data will be exported. I can utilize this folder to migrate more projects, or integrate updates on the PLA2 data later. I also choose whether to store the entire PLA2 database, or a specific project. Then I click the Start button to calculate and export the assays. My PLA2 data is now exported to the hard drive, including reports, graphics, and audit trail entries. If I want, I can proceed with archiving that data in PLA 3.0.